Would you live in a home without a door? Or sleep with your home door wide open all night? Hey, it's normal for some people to live like that. Boundaries are invisible doors. In every relationship, starting with our relationship with ourselves, we make decisions to open the door, close the door, lock the door, or leave the door cracked open. We all need boundaries. Boundaries keep us safe. Boundaries are the foundation of healthy relationships.
Clear boundaries throughout our lives are pivotal in defining our relationships with ourselves, with our health, and with others. Our lives and social encounters become healthier and more balanced when clear boundaries are established. Knowing these limits for ourselves and enforcing them paves the way towards holistic wellness, rather than allowing toxic habits or one-sided relationships to thrive. In addition, there are international boundaries by which people operate by, and there are boundaries unique to every group of people and culture. The way people set boundaries with people of their own culture is different from the way they set boundaries with people of cultures foreign to them. By the way, where are you from? Leave a comment. Given the rise of globalization, online business, international opportunities, and the need to speak English as a global language, with the turn of generations, people are quickly beginning to redefine and readjust their boundaries voluntarily and involuntarily. Also, boundaries for children are different from boundaries for adults. And setting boundaries based on one's age and gender varies from one culture to another. With that said, let's acknowledge that there is a lot to learn about setting boundaries on a local as well as an international level.
Let's take this a step further. Do you believe that your dreams are impossible to accomplish and that you need a supernatural miracle to manifest what you wish for or fantasize about all day? What if I told you that your unbalanced boundaries are exactly what is blocking you from manifesting your dreams? Unhealthy boundaries are restricting you from being the best version of yourself and being who you were born to be. More precisely, boundaries help us protect our energy and prioritize our time and wellness. They help us focus on what is most important to us. Protecting our energy and laser focusing on our goals are the keys to manifesting anything we wish for. While we all have similarities between us, our boundaries differentiate us from the next person. They truly allow our unique fingerprints to stand out, and therefore leave our clear marks in this life. We believe that everybody is somebody. Everybody has a unique purpose, and everybody has a duty to shine. Are you on duty? Kindly and firmly communicating our boundaries and setting them will transform our relationships and our lives.
Boundaries are ways to verbalize what it means to cross the line and enter the invisible door in each of our relationships. They provide a warning that crossing these lines will have repercussions. Boundaries in one way or another already exist for every person that we come in contact with, including friends, family, partners, children, employers, coworkers, or strangers. But setting healthy or clear boundaries is critical to managing our personal and professional life. Without these limits to help manage your self-talk, time, resources, and relationships, you would experience lower levels of self-esteem, learned helplessness, or a fear of criticism, among other challenges.
We often hear about the golden rule. Treat others how you want to be treated. The only problem is that many people don't even know how they want to be treated, because they were not taught that, among other reasons. As children, if we are not treated properly, and we are not taught how to properly treat ourselves, we grow into adults who continue to not know how to properly treat ourselves and others. Beware that functional and dysfunctional boundaries are often quietly passed down and passed on generationally. It is vital to assess our inherited boundaries, redefine, and reset them.
Once we know how we want to be treated, then we need to treat ourselves how we want others to treat us. This not only teaches others how to treat us, but it is a great way to role model to others our standards and how we expect to be treated. It is important to note that treating ourselves properly and having standards is not arrogance. On the contrary, it's self-care. Would you be so kind as to share a standard that you have for yourself? Together, let's learn how to treat ourselves properly.
Setting boundaries is the ability to respectfully say no or disagree without fear, without people-pleasing, and humbly demanding respect for doing that. Can you say no? Let's see how many of you can answer yes to that in the comments.
If you can't say no, what stops you? What do you need to strengthen your ability to say no when necessary? Share your challenges or solutions, and let's upgrade your well-being journey together.